Hello everyone, I'm Slayer. Today I'll show you how to increase video quality in CapCut. If you're ready, let's get started. First of all, I will show you a few different methods, some of which are for those with a CapCut Pro subscription and some for the free version. I recommend you follow them carefully. Method 1 is one of the simplest. First, click once on the video and the timeline. Then click on the Adjust tab in the top right. Scroll down and find Exposure, then set it to 10. Of course, it can vary from video to video, so you can experiment. Now scroll down to the bottom and find Sharpen. This setting may vary from video to video, so you should test it. I'll set it to 80. That was the first method. Let's move on to the second method. The second method is to use the 4K or 8K filter. First, open the Filters tab at the top and type 4K or 8K into the search bar. Then drag and drop the filter onto the clip in the timeline. Then click on the Video tab in the top right corner. You can adjust the intensity of the filter from this section. Now let's move on to the third method. First, click once on the clip in the timeline, then click the Adjust tab in the top right. Check the box for Auto Adjust and set the intensity. Now I will show you the fourth and most important thing, the settings you choose when exporting the video you prepared. First, you should select 4K or 8K resolution, but I must warn you that this will increase the video size. The bit rate should be higher, the FPS should be 60, and if you have a CapCut Pro subscription, I definitely recommend activating optical flow. I hope you found the tutorial video on how to increase video quality in CapCut helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a nice day.